Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to fix a frustrating issue, private browsing not showing up on your iPhone. It can be annoying when you need that extra bit of privacy and the option is just gone. Don't worry, it's a common problem and usually has a simple fix. We're going to walk you through a few easy solutions to get private browsing back up and running in Safari in no time. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Roam Tech for more iPhone tips and tricks. We're constantly uploading helpful content to make your tech life easier. Okay, so you can't find the private browsing option in Safari.
Let's troubleshoot.
We'll cover * checking your restriction settings. This is usually the culprit.
* restarting your iPhone.
Sometimes a simple reboot does the trick. * updating iOS. An outdated operating system can cause all sorts of problems.
Alright, let's get started.
Scene 1. Checking restrictions, content and privacy restrictions. First, we're going to check your screen time settings, specifically the content and privacy restrictions. This is the most common reason why private browsing disappears. * go to settings. * scroll down and tap on screen time. * if screen time is enabled, tap on content and privacy restrictions. If it's disabled, you can skip this step, but maybe consider enabling it for overall screen time management. * here's the crucial part. If content and privacy restrictions is turned on, tap on content restrictions.
* scroll down to web content.
* make sure it's not set to limited websites or allowed websites only. If it is, tap on unrestricted access. This allows all websites, including those accessed in private browsing. Scene 2. Restarting iPhone. Okay, if the restrictions weren't the issue, let's try a simple restart. It might sound basic, but it often resolves minor glitches. * the way you restart your iPhone depends on the model. * iPhone 8 or earlier * press and hold the power button until you see the slider, then slide to power off. * iPhone 10 or later, including iPhones with Face ID, press and hold either volume button and the power button simultaneously until the power off slider appears. * after your iPhone is completely off, wait about 30 seconds. * then, press and hold the power button again until you see the Apple logo. Once your iPhone has restarted, open Safari and check if the private browsing option is back. Scene 3. Updating iOS. If you're still having trouble, the next step is to check for iOS updates. An outdated operating system can sometimes cause features to malfunction. * go to settings. * scroll down and tap on General. * tap on Software Update. * your iPhone will check for available updates. If there's an update available, download and install it. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and have enough battery life or are plugged in. Closing. And that's it. You've gone through the main troubleshooting steps to bring back private browsing on your iPhone. Usually, checking your content and privacy restrictions will do the trick. But a restart or update might be needed. Hopefully, one of these solutions worked for you. If you're still experiencing problems, let us know in the comments below. We'll do our best to help you out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Roam Tech for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.